Hey guys, welcome back to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. Today we've got a twist on a previous video, so it's slightly longer. See what it said. Right, so this is going to be a twist on the Scribble game. I wanted to try and see how far we could take this. So what I'm going to do is an elongated scribble. So eyes closed, finding where the paper is. Okay, hoping this goes somewhere where the camera is. Eyes tightly shut, and it's going to go off. Oh my word. Okay, big scribble. Okay. Whoa, well, hopefully that's shown very nicely. That is an odd picture. I thought I'd be a bit ambitious with this and just try and do a bit more, because the last one was a scribble, but it was quite a swift one. Now this one is a little bit more ambitious, and I got to be slightly imaginative about what we're going to do with it. Okay, so this initially looks like a bird to me here. Birds come up quite a lot, maybe they're on the brain. So we'll start with that and see if we can make something else come out of it. There we go. Looks like he's got a wing coming out there, and he can have that. Coming out there, yeah, that looks kind of right. You can see there's a bird looking over his shoulder. Not sure what sort of expression to give him yet. Depends what he's got behind him there. Should we make that into the rest of the bird, or should we have something else there in? What could that shape be? I wonder. I'm sure you've got lots of amazing ideas going on at the moment. It looks like a guitar to me. Could he be carrying? Yeah, why not? Let's have him carrying a guitar then. Following these lines all the way around. Might not be a guitar. Might have to be a cello or something. Something larger. Add these bits to the top. Do let me know if you enjoy these sort of drawing games, or the quick draws that I do, or more of the live stuff. Really want to do what you guys enjoy the most more on these videos. So do let me know what you like to see. Or maybe it's just a mix. Maybe you like the variety we've got at the moment. Try and mix it up a bit. Okay, so with this one here, I think we're gonna have to make these his feet. So he's gonna have an enormous shoe coming out like that. It's a very big old boot. Okay. I did not think I'd be drawing this today. Some sort of crow musician? He could be playing the bass in like a jazz club or something. Let's add a little bit more detail on this. Okay, you can always hear it now, can't you? Beautiful. Yeah, jazz crow. Let's give him a little hat there as well. I think that's turned out alright actually. The only really odd thing is his massive shoe, but there we go. Bit of fun. Good stuff. Try that one yourself, an elongated scribble game. Cheers.